laying that way? What's wrong with you? What? You're not getting anything else. You have to eat your kibble. You can't have any more food. You have your kibble. You need to eat your kibble. I don't care. It's good food. It doesn't matter. It's good food. It's good kibble. You like it? You like it? What is this? What? You have to eat your food. You're not getting anything else. Nothing else. What? Eat your food? You have food? Go eat your food. Go eat your food. It's good kibble. You like it. Are you gonna lay there like this on the couch? Huh? Look at yourself. Huh? What? Why are you so sad? Oh my goodness, you're so mistreated. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, you're so abused.